Okay, you guys, we're doing some do-it-yourself stuff that we got off of Temu. Okay, and we already did some of the stuff. I thought I would show you. And now, we can't have that. Oh, it's not take. Oh, okay. We're putting up a border. As you can see, we got white. She's putting up the border.
So like that.
You need me to hold it for you?
So yeah, that's perfect where I cut it.
Okay, so let's take the tape off.
Oh wait, this is backwards. It's supposed to be this way.
We can't have that scrunched up like that though. Oh, okay, stretch it out. Hold on. Because it's got to look nice and neat. Because that's the whole purpose of us doing it. And make sure we got it in the same. There we go. Okay. And then we're gonna put it down on this. We got a little discrepancy here because we cut it. Okay, stuff does stretch. Okay, so we gotta get it down on that wood. There we go. You can move those flowers out your way. Yeah, so we're doing a do-it-yourself, and we got the border, okay? It came like this from Temu. We got two of them, okay? We have the white one. I ordered two of the whites, and I ordered two of the shiny gray or silver. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, and I don't even know why I ordered it, okay? Yes. Then we got some little fillers. This is my vase. This doesn't come with a base. But we got the flowers. I ordered these. All this stuff came separate. You order them separate, but I just put them together. And then this right here lights up.
Okay, I like that.
This is separate as well, okay? But I like it because it looks really full. I was really surprised at how full this looked, okay? So in case you guys are thinking about ordering it, really nice, okay? Sorry, I'm a little wobbly here. I just decided to turn you on and film you. Then we got these also from Temu. And these are little stickers, okay? You peel the front of it off, okay, because it's a mirror. And you peel the back of it off where it sticks, okay? And we blinged out my table. See, can you see it here? Oh, yeah. Okay, so we blinged out the table right here. And she was talking about taking the rest of it because we got some more. Oh, this is not straight. Thank goodness. Okay, there we go. Okay, thank goodness. You can see, okay, take you a little further. There we go. Okay. How we take it. I'm sorry, I'm being dyslexic, okay? I'm really dyslexic. So let me just set it down and let you look at it like that. There we go. There we go. Okay. Sorry about that. And so that's how we're going to bling it. We blinged it out. It is really nice, okay? It actually looks like it came that way, you guys, okay? So we had got some do-it-yourselfers, okay, right? Now I got another thing to show you guys too, okay? And that's outside. I ordered this from Temu, okay? Now the thing about it is I paid like $14 for it, right? And I've been seeing it on Temu for like $5, okay? If you happen to see it, get it, okay? Here comes Keisha. She want to be outside, okay? So, and then we just bought some little flowers, okay? Hopefully you can see this, okay? Let's see. Bend you down. Hold on. There we go. Okay. There. Okay. Now, I ordered this little pot right here. Okay. Hopefully you don't fall. Okay, I gotta hold you. I ordered this little pot here, okay, and it has the solar panel right there, so the lights. So at nighttime, it's gonna light up, and it's gonna be look like it's being sprinkled with lights, you know, okay. And we even went out and bought some flowers, okay, to brighten up the place, and it really looks good, okay? So I'll give you a night view before I load this up and see if the lights come on. If not, I'll just load it up. Okay, move, I'm sorry. Oh, girl, I'm so sorry.